So let's read it again. Here we have a letter is randomly chosen from the word development to find out the probability of each of the following events down there. Okay, so let's look it
Okay.
out here. Okay, wait. Now first we're going to determine out the total number of letters here for development. Okay, so let's try to write it out here. All the words, and here we have D, E, V, E, L, O, P, M, E, and T then. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that's about 11 then. So the total letters that we have total is about 11 then. Now, here, the first question we have is that here an E is not chosen then. Okay, so let's go write it out here. So how many letter E do we have here? So we have this one as in 2, 4, and 9. So that's a total about 3 E's then. Okay, so there's about the total for that one is 3 E's. Now, since there were about 11 of them, so we're just going to minus that one. So 3, okay, or 11 minus 3, that is equals to 8, 10. Okay, so there's about 8 of them. So we're going to write out here as probability of not E, in which we got the answer as 8 over 11. Okay, so that's the answer for E. First one. Now, for the next here, we have for the B is consonant is not chosen. Now, let's just write and see out here. What are those consonants? When you see out consonants, are letters that are other than A, E, U, or other than, let's write here. So we have, when you say out not consonants that other than letters of A, E, I, O, U. So that means, do we have here? What are those words? We have, they're not consonants. So that's only, change out color. So we have that one as D, V, L, P, E, and int. So let's go count that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's about 7 of them. So we're going to write out for B. That's about 7 cons. Okay, consonants. Oh, consonants. All right, so we have 7 consonants. Now, since there are 7 consonants, we are going to write out for the probability then. So, in which we're going to write out here probability of uh, consonants. In which we have 7 out of 10. All right, so that's will be the answer for that one.